Hey everybody, it's Angie. This is take 2. I think my white paint was too thick, so I put a little bit of Floetrol in it. We can slide around a little bit better. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I come out. I just bought a whole bunch of canvases, 70% off at Michael's. Hope y'all got to take advantage of that. It's pretty cool. They don't do that very often. Cut that air off. Okay. This is a Shelee Art technique. I also got some new paints. This is metallic cobalt. I'm going to put us a strip right here in the center. And I just mix these paints, so we're going to have bubbles. It's better to mix your paints a day ahead. For real. And then we have some deep yellow, Artist Law. Okay, and then we have some deep magenta. Pretty color. Alright, let's see what we can do. Fix me up a fresh batch of cell activator. Gift card. Pour a little bit right here on the side. Okay. Let's do this. That didn't work good, did it? Let's try that again. Don't have it too thick. I don't want to add too much to it. I just want it simple. Put a little bit on my corners. We got some pretty sails going on. I don't know what happened right there. That's okay. Let's see if it'll move. Oh yeah, that's better than last time. I'm going to take it over here first. Then we're going to check it down here in this corner. Well, maybe not. I'm going to turn it around so y'all can see. Then we're going to go down. Bring my paint back to the center. Now we're going to go right over there and get that corner. Back to the center. because I don't want to stretch it out too much. Okay, let's get that down there. Okay, and now we can do composition. Remember, bring the paint back down. Bring the paint down a little bit. I know you can't see all this. Bring the weight of the paint down there so I can bend the top of it some. That's really pretty. Okay, let's take a look, see. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. That's really pretty. When I get to messing with it, I'll mess it up. I love those colors together. I'm gonna bring you down. Wow, y'all, check this out. Isn't that pretty? Look at these colors. I am in love with this. I love that part right there. How cool is that? Reminds me of bubble gum right there. I don't know why. Something simple, quick. Y'all have a great one. And I will see you later. Later, Gators.